channel.
Hello.
You will upload.
Good morning.
Hello, sir. Sir, in your YouTube channel.
Yes. Good morning, students.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
So, today
Yes,
we
sir.
are going to start the topic from where we have left. We are revising the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. All right.
Yes, sir.
We were revising
Yes,
the
sir.
chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current, and we have revised till properties of magnetic field lines. Okay. We have revised
Yes,
till
sir.
properties of
What is the
magnetic field
magnetic?
lines. In the last class, what we have done in the last class, Costa, we have covered what do you mean by a magnet, what are the different types of magnet. All right, and we have
Yes, sir.
studied
Bar
about
magnet.
few properties of magnet. Okay, and today let me start the explanation from the properties of magnetic field lines so that it will be helpful for you to understand again.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So today
Yes,
is
sir. Yes.
27th of January 21. All right.
2021.
Yes. So we will
Yes, sir.
start from properties of magnetic field lines. All right. Properties of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. All right. Properties of magnetic field lines. Understood? Now, you see,
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by properties of magnetic field lines? In the last class, I have said to you only one property, that is magnetic field lines originate from the North Pole. That is, these magnetic field lines originate from the North Pole. From the North Pole and ends at South Pole. Ends at
South Pole. Yes, sir.
South Pole. What do you mean by
South
this?
Pole.
Suppose I give you a magnet here. Okay. What type of magnet is this? What type of magnet is this? So this is a bar magnet. Okay. This is a
Bar magnet.
bar magnet.
Yes, sir.
So this is the north
Bar
pole of the
magnet.
magnet and this is the south pole of the bar magnet. Can you see? Yes. So
Yes,
the
sir.
magnetic
Yes, sir.
field lines will start from here. It will go like this and it will meet at the south pole. Okay. Like this. This magnetic field lines will
Yes.
start from the north pole and it will go to the south pole.
And South Pole.
Ends in south pole. Understood? So, to show that magnetic field lines start from the north pole and ends at south pole, you have to give this arrow. Okay? We have to
Arrow.
mark
Yes,
this
sir.
arrow. Understood? So, this is the
this
explanation
diagram?
for the. Have you understood? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay, very good. Now, see the next property. The next property of magnetic field lines is magnetic field lines come closer to one another near the poles of a magnet, but they are widely separated at other places. Okay, that is,
Yes, sir.
magnetic field lines are
lines.
closer at the poles and widely separated at other places. What do you mean by this, Kostav? What do you mean by this? Okay, let me show it to you. What is this? All right, you see here. What is this? Come on, tell me once again. What is this, Kostav?
Magnet.
This is a bar magnet. Okay, so what we know, the magnetic field lines start from here, North Pole. Yes,
North Pole and end is South Pole.
yes,
Yes,
it
sir.
originates from North Pole like this, and this
Yes, sir.
rays goes to the South Pole like this.
South Pole. Yes, yes, sir.
Yes or no? So,
Yes,
can
sir.
you see that at the pole, near the poles, you can see near the pole, the magnetic field lines, how many magnetic field lines you can count here? You just count. How many magnetic field lines? 1, 2, 3,
One,
4, 5,
four.
6. Yes?
Yes, sir. Six
So there are
magnetic field.
6 magnetic field lines. But at other places, you
Yes, sir.
see at this place, how many magnetic field lines you can see?
Yes, sir.
1, 2,
Sir, 1,
3.
3, 4.
1, 2,
Three
3.
also there.
3 lines
One,
is
two,
there.
one, two, three.
That means what? That means what? Magnetic field lines are crowded. Crowded at this place and they are widely separated. Widely separated
Separated.
at the other places. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the explanation of this property. Alright, now let's move on to the third property. Can you tell me the third property?
property.
Can you tell me the third property? Do you know what is the third
Third
property?
property.
Third property
Wait, sir,
is,
wait.
uh, you need not have to see the book and tell me. Okay, if you know, then you can tell me. Okay,
No, third property. Third property, I don't know.
yes, you don't know. See, magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
magnetic field lines do not intersect
Magnetic
each
field
other. Are you understanding, Kostav?
At each other.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir, I'm understanding.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
what do you mean by this? Magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Suppose this is again a bar magnet, North Pole and South Pole. These magnetic field lines never cross each other. Yes? They never meet each
Yes,
other.
sir.
Understood? You can see this magnetic field lines will never intersect like this. That this line will cross this line and this line will cross this line. So, this type of intersection will not happen. Okay? This type of intersections will not happen. Understood? This is the meaning of properties or characteristics of magnetic field lines. Alright?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Excuse me, sir.
Come on, tell me.
Sir, in the board, sir, you have to explain this. Sir, you have to draw and explain this in the diagram.
Where? In a board examination? Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. You have to draw the diagrams and you have to explain that. Okay? The way I have
sir.
explained, you will write down how you will write down. If this question will come in your board examination, then how you will write down. Okay? You see, what you will do, you will write down the property. For example, magnetic field lines are closer at the poles and widely separated at other places. Right now I have written. Yes or no? So after writing this property, you will draw the diagram. Okay? You will draw the diagram like this. See, after every property I am drawing one diagram. Yes or no? After every property I am drawing one diagram. Can you see that? So why I am doing this? To make you understand. So similarly, when you will write down the board examination, you have to make the examiner understand what you are writing. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me tell you a very interesting fact now. This will be a very interesting fact. Okay. This is magnetic field of Earth. Okay. This is magnetic field of Earth.
Earth.
Clear? This is magnetic field of Earth. Done.
Earth.
Okay. You see. Suppose I consider this is our Earth. Okay? This is our Earth. Alright? Is this our Earth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me draw it in a much better way. Let me draw this in a much better way. You see. Let me draw our Earth. Okay? Just a second. Hold on for a moment.
Okay, sir.
This is our Earth. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the Earth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you tell
Yes,
me?
sir.
Can you tell me where is the North Pole of our Earth? Where is the North Pole of our Earth? This is our Earth. Okay. So where is the North Pole? So there will be the North Pole. Yes or no? This is the North Pole.
In the top.
In the top.
In the top.
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
where is the South Pole? Sir, here. This is the South Pole. Yes or no? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
can I draw a line from North Pole to South Pole like this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can draw.
Yes, yes, yes. So this is the line. But here this line is called as what? This line is called as a geographical axis. Okay.
Yes, sir. Geographical. Sir, we have learned in the geography.
Yes. This is called as geographical axis. Very nice. Now, you know that inside our Earth, alright, inside our Earth, there is a magnet. What is there? There is a magnet. Okay. How this magnet is formed inside the Earth? This type of magnet is called as a natural magnet. Inside our Earth, we are having what? Natural magnet made up of minerals. Yes or no? Made
Yes,
up
sir.
of minerals. So that magnet will have a North Pole and South Pole. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me draw the magnet which is present inside the Earth. Okay. Let me draw the magnet which is present inside the Earth. Okay. Let me draw the magnet which is present inside the Earth. Alright. So this is the magnet which is present inside the earth. Can you see?
Sir, I can see.
Yes, this is the magnet which is present inside our earth. So this magnet will also have a north pole and south pole. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So this magnet will also have a north pole and south pole. My dear, the north pole of this magnet is here, near the earth's south pole. Okay? And the south pole of that magnet is here. You can see in the diagram, near the earth's north pole. Okay? Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And if I draw a line, joining the north pole and south pole of the earth's magnet, then this line is called as a magnetic axis. A magnetic axis. Understood? This line is called as what?
Magnetic axis.
This line is called as magnetic axis.
Magnetic axis.
Have you understood till this point? You tell me.
Yes, sir, I've understood.
Understood? Okay. Can you see that the north pole of the magnet is towards the south pole and the south pole of the magnet is towards the north pole? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
And you can see there is an angle. There is a big angle between the north pole and south pole. Can you see this angle?
Yes, sir.
How much is this angle? How much is this angle? My dear, this angle is 15 degree. This angle is how much?
Yes, sir.
15 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This angle is how much? 15 degree. So the angle between the Earth's geographical axis and the magnetic axis is 15 degree. Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
Now, Costa, let me ask you one question. Let's see how much you have understood. Okay? Let me ask you one question. Costa, you tell me. Suppose I bring a magnet here. Okay? Suppose I bring a magnet here. This is a bar magnet. Okay? This is a bar magnet. Can you tell me where will be the north pole and where will be the south pole?
From the north pole will be on top and the south pole will be on north. Sorry, down.
Why?
So why?
Why? Can you tell me why this is happening?
Sir, it is happening because, sir, from the bar magnet.
Yes.
Sir, it comes from south pole to direct to the north pole. That's why.
No. You have said it correct that here will be the north pole and here will be the south pole. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Do you know? Unlike poles attract each other, north pole attracts south pole and south pole attracts
Sir, I know.
north pole. You know this?
Sir, I've studied. Yes, sir.
You have studied. That means, can you see that inside the earth this is the magnet? Inside the earth this is the
Yes, sir.
magnet. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir,
And
I
that
did.
magnet south pole is here on the top. That magnet south pole is on the top. Yes or no?
Sir.
So this south
Yes, sir.
pole will attract this north pole. This south pole will attract this north pole, and the earth's magnet's north pole will attract the south pole. Understood?
Okay, sir, understood. Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. The south pole of the magnet of earth will attract the bar magnet's north pole, and the north pole will attract the south pole of the bar magnet. Understood?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
That's why when you suspend a magnet at home, when you will suspend a magnet, yes, when you will suspend a magnet, the magnet will always align in the north-south direction of earth. Okay, north-south direction of earth. Can you see this north pole? This north pole is near the earth's north pole, and the south pole of the magnet is near the earth's south pole. Yes or no? So whenever
Yes, sir.
you will incline a magnet, it will always align itself along the north pole and south pole of earth's geographical axis. Understood this much?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. So this much I want to give you the topic of Earth's magnetic field and properties and characteristics of magnetic field for today. All right. Is there any doubt that I have
Yes, sir.
taught you today? Any problem that you have faced? No?
No, sir, till this much I have no problem.
No problem. Okay then. Thank you for
Okay, sir.
today, Costa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.